Hi there. In this video, we'll walk you through 5 easy steps to connect to your VPS using TeamViewer, a convenient tool for remote access anytime, anywhere. Let's jump right in and make your trading setup even more flexible. Step 1. Make sure in the VPS and on the computer where you want to access VPS already installed TeamViewer, TV. Step 2. Run the TeamViewer in the VPS to be accessed via a computer/laptop. Permanent password settings to make it easier to access without logged in new passwords again, optional. Step 3. Open TeamViewer on the computer/laptop, then enter TeamViewer ID, which is on VPS, in the Partner ID section on TeamViewer on the computer/laptop. Then click Connect. Step 4. Enter the password. Enter the TeamViewer password in VPS, then click Log On. That's all it takes. With just a few simple steps, you can now access your Forex VPS via TeamViewer with ease. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to share it with friends. Thanks for watching, see you in the next video.